Number one, the gray goo theory. This theory doesn't involve aliens or giant asteroids. It involves machines so small that you couldn't see them with your own eyes. Scientists call them nanobots. These microscopic robots could one day be designed to create copies of themselves. One becomes two, two become four, four become eight. The numbers grow incredibly fast. Instead of stopping, the nanobots could continue reproducing endlessly. To build more copies, they would need raw materials. Trees, buildings, animals, even entire cities. Everything could become fuel for their expansion. Scientists call this nightmare scenario gray goo. A world where self-replicating machines consume everything around them until nothing remains. Just endless swarms of tiny robots covering a silent, lifeless planet. Number two, the Great Filter. The universe is enormous. There are billions of stars, billions of planets, and countless opportunities for life to exist. So why haven't we found anyone? This question led scientists to propose the Great Filter theory. The idea suggests that somewhere in the development of every civilization, there is a major obstacle that almost nobody survives. We don't know whether humanity has already passed this barrier or if it's still waiting ahead. If we've already passed it, then intelligent life may be incredibly rare. But if the filter lies in our future, the outlook becomes much darker. Perhaps civilizations destroy themselves through war. Perhaps they create technologies they can no longer control. Or maybe they slowly ruin the environments that keep them alive. Whatever the reason, something may be stopping civilizations from spreading across the galaxy. The question is whether humanity will be one of the few that make it through. Number three, the mirror world theory. What if another universe exists right beside our own? Not somewhere far away, but right here. Scientists call this idea the mirror world theory. According to the theory, a hidden universe could exist alongside ours, filled with its own matter, stars, planets, and maybe even life. The strange part is that we wouldn't be able to see it or touch it. The only connection between the two worlds might be gravity. Some physicists believe this hidden universe could explain dark matter, the mysterious substance that seems to hold galaxies together. If a mirror star exploded near Earth, we might never see the light from the explosion. We would only notice its gravitational effects. Some scientists even wonder whether intelligent life could exist in this hidden world. And if it does, those beings might be asking the exact same questions about us. Number four, the ghost condensate theory. Scientists think an invisible substance may fill the entire universe. Not a ghost in the traditional sense. Something far stranger. This mysterious substance could be flowing through your body, your home, and everything around you right now. Scientists call it a ghost condensate. Unlike ordinary matter, it may contain a strange form of energy that doesn't behave according to the rules we're familiar with. Some researchers believe it could help explain one of the biggest mysteries in astronomy. The universe is expanding faster and faster, but nobody knows exactly why. This invisible cosmic substance might be responsible. If the theory is correct, it means our understanding of reality is far from complete. The laws of physics we rely on every day may only tell part of the story. And the universe could be much stranger than we ever imagined. Number five, the false vacuum theories. Our universe might be living on borrowed time. Imagine our entire universe standing on a narrow ledge. It looks stable, but scientists believe it may not be in its most stable form. This idea is known as the false vacuum theory. According to this theory, if a tiny region of space suddenly shifts into a more stable state, it could create a bubble unlike anything we've ever seen. That bubble would expand at the speed of light, sweeping across the universe and changing everything in its path. And inside it, the laws of physics could be completely different. Atoms might no longer function the way they do now. Matter itself could become impossible. The terrifying part is that we would never see it coming. Since the bubble would move at light speed, everything would end instantly. No chance to react. Some scientists believe a similar event may have happened shortly after the Big Bang, helping create the universe we live in today. But if it happened again, it could create a completely different reality, one where we could never exist. The NPC is grateful you watched until the end. For more relatable NPC content, subscribe and leave a like.